We've used LEDs in a number of earlier circuits. But just what is an LED anyway? LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. It is indeed a diode, but a very special one. This project will show just how an LED works. Take the two long wires from terminals 1 and 2 on the front panel of your kit and touch terminals 152 and 153 with them. When do you make LED 1 light? When the long wire from terminal 1 is touching terminal 153 and the long wire from terminal 2 is touching 152, LED 1 will light up. Remember, when we said that a diode can conduct only in one direction? When an LED is conducting, it gives off light. When electricity is applied from the opposite direction, it won't conduct, nor does it give off light. Each diode has two parts inside, an anode and a cathode. In the schematic, the anode is the arrow, while the cathode is a straight line in the diode symbol. Electricity flows from the cathode to anode. This is called forward bias by electronics engineers. When electricity is applied in the opposite direction and the diode won't work, this is called reverse bias. Be careful and don't apply too much reverse bias to a diode. It could be damaged. That's why you'll notice we always add a resistor in series with an LED. LEDs are widely used in electronic circuits in place of lamps because they use little current and don't burn out like lamps do.
This has been a Cassette Master production.